Oh, well, hello there. I hear you have some questions on the states of matter. Well, in this episode of I Knew Something You Don't, we will learn all about the states of matter. How about we get started? Walk out. Now let's learn about the different states of matter. First, let's learn about the solid. Could my assistant bring me the example of a solid? This is an example of a solid. The particles are very close together and compact, and it does not lose its shape. Let's demonstrate this not losing its shape. No loss of shape at all. That's a solid. Now let's learn about liquids. Liquids are the second state of matter. I have here a bucket of water. Liquid particles take the shape of the container they're in. And if they're out of the container, they lose their shape. Let me demonstrate this. It lost its shape. Now let's move on to gas. Gas particles do not do anything fun at all. They just bounce around their container. As you can see here, the smoke is what is representing the gas, because it dissociates around the room.
Oh.
Okay, it's time for another demonstration. Solids stand around like this and don't move at all, or move very little, like they're vibrating. Liquids just float around the volume they're in and take the volume's form. Their particles mainly just look like this, like they're floating around. So, air particles bounce all around the volume or container they're in, like this. Note how I'm going through all of the sectors of the trampoline. That's how an air particle would move. Okay? Okay. I have here an ice cube. Now this ice cube used to be a liquid, but it reached 0 degrees Celsius, which is freezing point, and now it's a solid. But now I've taken it out of the freezer and it's melting. That's because the temperature is rising from 0 degrees Celsius, which is also a melting point. Over here, I have boiling water. This water has reached 100 degrees Celsius, which is boiling point. Now it's over the boiling point, it's reached vaporization point. As you can tell, the water vapor is vaporized from the water and is rising as a gas. You can see these things in a chart, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. This chart I am about to show you is the warming curve of water. In today's video, we learned about the different states of matter, solids, liquids, gases, their melting, freezing, boiling, and vaporization points. And we had many demonstrations. Now, if there any point you were wondering why he looks different, that's because I'm magic. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun learning in today's video. I know I did. And until next time, I knew something you don't.